Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change timer sound. Okay, so first we need to open up the clock app. Once we are here, we need to select the timer here on the right side. Now click on those three dots on the top right corner. Now we can get access into the settings. Now scroll down and find timer settings. Make sure that sound is enabled right in here. Now click, and in here we can change the sound of our timer. In here we have a whole list, and in here we can change the sound. We can set anything that we want from this list. So for example, I'll change it for Escalator. Okay. And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.